YouTube, it's your girl Sunny, and I'm back again with another video. Now today I'm feeling a little bit better. So I got a little something coming from my man right now. Right now he's sleeping in the bedroom. And he pranked me. So why not prank him while he's sleeping? Before we get into this video, I want you guys to comment, like, and subscribe. Also click on that post notification bell so you guys will be notified every single time I post a video. Now, as you guys can see, I have all these items in here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set the camera up. And I'm just going to put these things on his face. Now guys, he don't play with his face. So I'm kind of nervous. So we got peanut butter, strawberry syrup. I think he's going to notice. Let's see. Oh, we're gonna do syrup, okay? And we're just gonna make him look like he looks crazy, okay? We might do a little hot sauce, okay? So I'm gonna go set the camera up, and then I'm gonna set the camera up for guys, and then we're gonna get into this video, alright?
He needs some milk.
Yo. Oh hell no! Yo. Yo, this better be a prank, dude. Yo. Boy, you got all on me, yo. Yo, what you do? Yo, what you do? Come on, bitch.
And
What? Yo. Stop.
What? Come on now.
You getting this shit on us. Stop, yo. Who does this? Stop.
You can open your eyes.
Yo. Why would you do this though? With no camera. Where the camera at?
And guess what? This is what happens when you want to do these pranks on me. You ready? You can relax.
Where's the camera though?
Don't worry about
It's
it.
supposed to be a prank. It's not a prank with no camera. Wow. Really? Who does shit like that though? Why would you do that? Why would you do that?
See, you were snoring because you know all those pranks that you thought it was okay to do on me? You know those pranks?
I'm fucking you up.
You know those pranks that you did on me? Huh?
I'm fucking you up. Yo, what makes you do that though? Well, payback is a bitch.
You know those pranks that you did on me?
Payback is a bitch. Payback is a bitch.
Huh?
I swear to God. You gonna get it.
You know those pranks that you did on me?
You gonna get it. It's all around my
Look,
neck,
y'all.
my face,
Look at y'all.
on the pillows. Oh, you gonna get it. You gonna get it.
It's not on the pillow.
Yeah, you gonna get it.
It's not on no pillow. It's on your shirt.
Don't touch me. You messed up my good workout shirt. Oh, man.
It's on your shirt. Look.
You gonna get it. Can I get up, please?
Go ahead. Go ahead. Look at him, y'all. Is this team?
Oh, shit.
Is it?
Oh, it's dripping. Oh, you bitch. Oh, you gonna get it. Oh, you gonna get it. Oh.
I had to come back with.
It's drip. Oh.
I had to come back with a banger.
Oh.
Y'all look at him.
Okay. You wanna catch people when they sleeping? Okay. Wow.
You gonna stop playing with me?
Oh man.
Are you gonna stop playing with me?
Nope. It's a wall. It is. Oh, you messed up the whole shirt. It's wall. Oh, you had this planned out. Hot sauce, ketchup, mustard.
And syrup. Strawberry
Man,
syrup.
you gonna get it. Bro.
Strawberry syrup, maple syrup. Yep. You done playing with me?
You gonna get it.
Huh?
Nah, I'm just getting started.
Is this
just getting started?
Is this Team Smith Mafia?
It's just getting started.
Is this Team Smith Mafia? Say it.
Nope.
Say it.
Nope. Nope.
Why not? This was a banger, wasn't it? Kind of come back with the good one.
It was.
So I say Team Smith Mafia.
No.
Say it.
Okay. I got that ass, girl. Yo, okay. Hey, yo, gang. You know me, gang. It's lit. I was sleeping too, just woke up. The fuck was somebody farted? What I heard? What? Okay.
Oh, you heard the...
Well, that's why I woke up.
I thought it was cold. That's how you woke
That's
up.
the reason why I woke up. I thought somebody farted. Like, I was like, what? This bitch farted? I see this bitch. Yo, alright, it's lit.
Yo, I was going to do something a little bit extra, but I think my life would have ended. I was going to take one of the kids' doodle and rub it on his face. And I was like, nah, that's the one.
This is not no prank. That's not no prank. This is not no prank. This is not no prank.
Look at him.
Look at my face. It's not no prank. Okay. I got that ass.
Look at this.
I got that ass.
Yeah, this is for all the pranks that you thought it was okay to do on me.
My face burning.
Wipe it off. Why you still standing there? Looking like a scarecrow. You got anything to say to my peoples?
You're going to get it. Trust me,
Look
believe
at her.
she's going to get it. And I just woke
Show
up
me your
too.
face.
And I just woke up
Hey,
too.
put all that stuff down.
Oh, yes.
Why'd you wake up?
I told you. I thought you farted. I heard it. You're going to get it. You're going to get it.
Go clear yourself up.
I am. You gotta do your little thing. It's lit.
Anyway, guys, I had to come back with a bang. I told y'all I was sick. I wasn't feeling good. But he was sleeping, and I was like, you know what? He's snoring. He's snoring. And I have to get his ass because I'm not going to let him get away with nothing no more. Nothing. That last prank that y'all saw on his chin, that's what this is for. But...
Yo, get out of here.
Anyway, guys, if you guys did enjoy this video, I want you guys to comment, like, share, and subscribe. Also, click on that post notification bell so you will be notified every single time this queen posts a video. Anyway, guys, go to his channel. What's your channel? Tell the piece what your channel is.
Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. My face is burning.
Don't be rude.
You already know. Aunt Flo, you already know. But don't worry about it, gang. Don't
His channel is Aunt Flo. Go over there and show him
gang.
some
Watch,
love.
gang. Watch, gang. She gonna get my neck burning. Why, I look like a piece of chicken? You think I'm mixed with chicken and rice and shit? Okay. Okay. I got that ass. You messed up my workout shirt.
Anyway, guys, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys. Peace.